You have something special. You have greatness in you. Hello, I'm boy, and I'm hungry to share a thought with you. We are in a crisis, and crises in the Chinese language means danger, but it also means opportunity. A lot of people are running scared. They say that fear has two meanings: forget everything and run, or face everything and rise. And that's what network marketers do. See, they're always going to be challenged. Strange that you'll face the fiery furnaces of this world. You will, not you might. You will have tribulations. So let me share with you three things that I think would be of value to you today. Number one, mental resolve. Listen to as many motivational messages as you possibly can. There's one I give online that's called Don't Stop. Keep on moving. It's not over until you win. It's a speech I gave in the Georgia Dome. You just go online and see Les Brown speaking in the Georgia Dome. I was scared out of my wits, but I rose to the occasion and gave the speech anyhow. And I don't even remember the speech. I was so scared. That's number one. So you want to inundate your mind with a lot of motivation, something positive every day. And turn off the television. If the world blows up, somebody will tell you about it, okay? Let me share something with you. I was checking my blood pressure after watching Fox, and it went through the roof. I said, oh, my God. People say garbage in, garbage out. No, garbage in, and it stays. So if you watch a lot of television, I'm telling you what I know. It will scare the wits out of you. I got so scared. My daughter, Ona, she came in the room to see me. She said, Dad, where are you? And I had crawled under the bed. I said, I'm under here. She said, what are you doing? She said, you have lost your mind. I said, I know, to the television. It's addictive. So don't watch things that's going to scare you out of your wits. Number two, my son has a saying, John Leslie, and it is, maximize your downtime. This is a time to review your goals. This is a time to look at what it is you want to do next and raise the bar on yourself. Engage in beginning to reinvent yourself, rethink your life, and develop a strategy that will allow you to grow through this time rather than just go through it. My daughter Ona said that gaps are from God. And so as we look at this time, that we have time to reflect on our lives, to deepen our relationships with family members and the people that we love, it's really a great opportunity. That is, you want to continue to create connections and communication even though you're apart from the people that you're building a business with. This is a time to stay in relationship, to have conversations about just life in general. And I found some funny things on the internet that keeps me laughing. You got to laugh sometime because this stuff that's going on right now, you can't make this stuff up. And so this is a time that you want to reach out and continue to maintain and to grow and develop your business with collaborative, achievement-driven, supportive relationships. This is no time to be in isolation. We need each other. This is a time to turn to each other rather than on each other. And here's the other thing. I want to give you a fourth bonus. Volunteer to help someone. I'm talking to you right now. I'm dealing with fourth-stage cancer. And I remember when Dr. Alfred Ghost and the oncologist said to me, Mr. Brown, you have fourth-stage cancer. I said, can you give me a second opinion? He said, yes, and you're ugly too. And then he said, you got this, man. You got this. Now, what did he do? He interrupted my thinking. How people live their lives is a result of the story they tell themselves. There are a lot of people who are saying, I can't deal with all of this. This is frightening. That's what psychologists call their self-explanatory style. You as network marketing pros, are messengers of hope. When you speak, you bring people out of a dark place into the light. When you speak, you disrupt their thoughts about fear. It's a difference between having thoughts of faith in your heart or allowing the fear thoughts to possess you. And when you speak, you distract, dispute, and inspire. You distract them from their fearful thoughts and wanting to run and hide, and you inspire them to stand up and rise up during this time. Your voice is needed now. We have a vehicle that allows us to control our own personal economy and to build a legacy. You have something special. You have greatness in you. This has been Les Brown, Mrs. Mamie Brown's baby boy. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it.